This patch can be used. See, off-road. Indian roads, they're full of surprises, Hello people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I know it's been long, but here is our very beautiful Interceptor. In today's video, we'll be talking about how does the Interceptor perform for our everyday use. So if some of you are planning to buy the Interceptor and are planning to use it for everyday purposes, like going to office, going to the gym like I'm going right now, so it'll be very helpful for you. Right now I'm going to the gym. This is how I start my day, and this is how the Interceptor also starts her day. Let's go. Hello. So it's monsoon season right now, and the weather is just so pleasant. Actually, it's the time of the year where people go for bike rides. We will surely go for a ride soon, a monsoon ride. I'll be also vlogging about it. But right now, let's talk about my experience with the Interceptor 650 in my daily use. Wherever I go, I take my Interceptor with me, and I do travel distance every day. I travel at least 20 kilometers per day. So this review is going to be helpful for the people who are thinking of getting an Interceptor and will be using it every day. See, when you're talking about everyday use of a bike, you have to see a few things like the comfort, the sitting comfort, the handling of the bike, and most importantly the fuel efficiency. Because if you're going to use the bike frequently, you will need to talk about the fuel efficiency. So let's start with the sitting comfort of the bike. Me, honestly, I've changed the stock seat that you get with an Interceptor, that is a flat one, because I experienced a back pain immediately after an hour or so of riding, let it be highways or let it be city streets. So what I did is I got a touring seat, actually a premium touring seat of Interceptor, and now this touring seat has done a very commendable job. Actually, I have done 900 kilometers in a day on the Interceptor, and the bike wasn't that uncomfortable at all. So what I mean to say is, if you're planning to use the bike every day for your office, for your daily work, daily chores, then the touring seat is definitely the option to go for. I mean, you all can try the stock seat for a few days, maybe a couple of weeks, and seeing that experience, you all can decide on whether to buy or not the touring seat. So this was about the sitting comfort. Now let's talk about the handling. Well, Interceptor is a huge bike, It is a 200 kg bike, actually more than 200 kgs. It is broad, it has two exhausts. The tank is huge, the height is big, the height is tall. So the thing is, there'll be a little difference between okay, so this road is closed. I think this patch can be used. See, off-road. Indian roads, they're full of surprises, And now this road is blocked too. Let's see if I can go from here. जाणार का? Oh, this looks a little difficult. Ah. Great job, man. See, as I said, the Indian roads are full of surprises, you know. Some days this road is open, some days it is closed. But the Interceptor, it never stops you from anything. Well, it's a very easy bike to handle, even though it has, it is heavy, even though it is huge. But still, you know, once you get used to it, it becomes one with you. You don't feel like, you know, it's a separate huge bike. That's the thing about bikes or cars or anything, you know. You just have to use it for a few days, get used to it, get acclimatized, and then it becomes very comfortable for you. So for me, at least, the bike it performs very well. If I have to choose between a leaner bike, maybe a moped, and the Interceptor for my city rides, I will definitely go with the Interceptor. Now let's talk about the fuel economy. Well, fuel economy, it plays a huge role, you know. If you want to use the bike for daily purpose, and if you're doing like 20 kilometers, 40 kilometers or more than that in a day, fuel economy plays a huge role. It should not burn a hole in your pocket, right? So the Interceptor, since you all know, it has a lot of power. It's a 650cc engine, twin cylinder. It definitely does consume more fuel as compared to other bikes that people prefer, you know, like mopeds or Heroes or Hondas. The fuel efficiency that I get on city roads is around 20 kilometers per liter. It's an average, right? I'm not sure exactly, because I have got a range between 18 to 22 kilometers on city roads. But if you all are okay with that, then there's no bike better than this for city use. In case you all want to use, you all stay near the highways, and the highway becomes an important route for you for your daily use, then it's the best thing ever, because on the highways the bike has given me a mileage of 28 kilometers per liter. If you all are planning to use it on the highways, for city streets, yes, you'll have to think a little bit. Especially for students, you know, you all can maybe opt for another bike, because the fuel will cost you a lot. Apart from these three things, let's talk about the power. The bike is, you know, it's hell of a lot powerful. It has a hell of a lot of power, this bike, for city purpose especially. You know, if you want to overtake, if you want to navigate through traffic, this bike does a great job. I mean, you don't need to wait behind someone, you know, but you have to make sure you don't drive rashly, because this power in your hand, it might tempt you to do so. So, you know, I remember this dialogue from the Spider-Man movie: with great power comes great responsibility. Yes. It is very much applicable to this case. Interceptor gives you a lot of power, especially on Indian roads, you know, wherein the speed limits are on the highways 80 kilometers per hour. But you have to be a responsible rider, especially if you're driving in the city. If you're riding in the city, you have to make sure you ride very responsibly. Another important thing, how can we miss that? The parking space we need for the Interceptor. So see, when you're traveling out, when you're going out, the parking space is not very, you're not very sure about if you are going to get the parking space or no. So yes, The Interceptor does need a huge parking space, and it's only a matter of time, you know, you will get used to the weight of it when you have to put it on the main stand or so. So guys, this was the review for the Interceptor for daily use, you know. Let me know what you all think about it, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Yo, this is my gym upstairs.